Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Sadhvi, and if you haven't subscribed then please take a moment to subscribe. In this video, I'll do a detailed step-by-step full face glam makeup and I'll show you how to easily achieve a soft pink glitter cut crease with glitter in the negative space. Getting started, first step is to moisturize and prime, and I've already done that. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I think this has a really creamy and soft texture and it blends beautifully on my skin. Now I'm gonna apply the foundation all over my face and my neck, and I'm gonna blend it using my blending brush that I received in a PR, and it works amazing. Now I'm using Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. It hydrates and brightens my under eye area nicely. I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes, on my T-zone and a little bit around my mouth area, and blend it using my beauty blender. It sets into a matte finish and stays put for 6 to 7 hours once I set it with the powder. For my brows, I'm using this smoky 2-in-1 gel liner from the Body Shop. Now I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas and shape my eyebrows. Now I'm going to contour my face, and I'm using this Nyx Wonder Stick that has a cream contour on one side and a highlighter on the other side. I'm going to contour my cheekbones, my jawline and my nose, so this really helps to sculpt my features and add a lot more definition. There's one thing that needs to be taken care of when you cream contour, so it needs to be blended really well in the skin, and to blend this I'm using this oval shaped makeup brush. Now when you're blending it, make sure you blend it in upwards motion for a really natural and smooth finish. Now I'm going to use this contour powder from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it on the areas where I applied the cream contour to kind of set in the base. Now I'm just going to blend it around my cheekbones, my jawline and my nose. I'm going to use this palette from Huda Beauty. You can use any palette which has soft pink colors. I'm using this beautiful soft pink shade as my transition color, and I'm going to drag it towards the outer corner to kind of create an illusion of elongated eyes. Next, I'm going to take a slightly darker shade than my transition shade, and I'm going to take the product on my dome-shaped brush. I'm going to apply it right under my transition shade in my crease, and I'm going to blend it really well. Now I'm using this dark orangish color to further deepen the crease. I'm using my dome-shaped brush to blend in the color right into my crease. I'm going to take a small amount of concealer on my tiny round brush. I'm going to mark my crease and simply carve it out. Now that I've applied concealer all over my lids, I'm going to take this shimmery pink color on my flat brush. I'm going to apply this shimmer on the center of my lid, taking it outwards and then blending it all over my lid. Now to glam up this look, I'm going to add some liquid liner in the negative space that we created at the crease. The liner I'm using is from Swiss Beauty in the shade 04. I'm going to take this brownish color on my definer brush. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line and smoke it out. This adds a lot of definition and drama to the eyes. I'm going to use this white kajal from Maybelline to line my waterline. This instantly lifts the eyes and makes them appear bigger. For blush, I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics 01 Peach Peak. It's a soft peachy pink color suitable for fair to medium skin tones. It looks super beautiful and gives natural flush to the cheeks. To highlight my face, I'm going to use Master Chrome from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold 100, and I'm going to apply it on all the high points of my face. I'm using this lip liner from Maybelline, and I'll mention the shade name in the description box so you can check it out there. For my lipstick, I'm using this one from Huda Beauty in the shade Bombshell. I'm so in love with this one. It's such a pretty versatile shade that has an amazing formula. Here's the completed look. I love how elegant this looks. Let me know what you guys think by commenting below, and if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.